Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change the alternator on an Infiniti FX35. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, gather your essential tools, including a set of wrenches, sockets, and a serpentine belt tool. Finally, take a moment to locate the alternator, which is typically found on the lower passenger side of the engine compartment. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Now, let's remove the old alternator. Begin by using your serpentine belt tool to loosen the tensioner, then carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main power cable and any other electrical connectors attached to the unit. Finally, unbolt the mounting bolts that secure the alternator to the engine block. Keep these bolts safe for reinstallation. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its bracket and secure it using the mounting bolts you set aside. Make sure they are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Next, reconnect all electrical wires and the main power cable firmly. Finally, route the serpentine belt correctly and release the tensioner to apply proper tension. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal to complete the electrical circuit. Now, start your engine and observe the dashboard for the battery or charging system indicator light. It should turn off. Listen carefully for any unusual noises and visually inspect the serpentine belt to ensure it is properly aligned on all pulleys. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your alternator.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.